Have you ever struggled to remember complex information? You're not alone. Students often feel overwhelmed by intricate subjects. But what if I told you there's a tool that can change everything? Enter the Advanced Memory Palace. This technique will revolutionize your studying. Let's explore memory palaces. They are mental structures helping you store and retrieve information. Imagine walking through a familiar place, like your home. Each room represents a different topic or concept. When you visualize the journey, you can recall vast amounts of knowledge. First, choose your location. Pick a place that is familiar. It needs to be detailed and vivid in your mind. This could be your home, school, or a favorite park. The more vivid, the better. Next, identify key pieces of information. This could be terms, dates, or theories. Instead of simple words, use images or objects for better retention. For example, if you're learning about neurons, visualize a tiny neuron in your kitchen. Now, create associations. Place each image within a specific area of the location. Make them quirky or funny to enhance memory. The unexpected nature of the image helps you remember it better. Imagine a dancing neuron on your sofa. Once you've placed all images, mentally walk through your memory palace. As you stroll through each room, recall the associated concepts. This strengthens your connection to the information. Let's put this into practice with an academic subject. Suppose you're studying psychology. Imagine your living room filled with images representing key theories. Freud can be under the coffee table, while Maslow sits on the couch. When it's time for exams, simply walk through this mental space to retrieve that information. Summarizing our approach: choose a location, identify key information, create associations, and mentally walk through. Each step builds on the last for optimal retention. Ready to transform your study routine? Dive into advanced memory palaces today. Start creating your unique memory structure. Discover the power of spatial recall. Your academic success awaits. Subscribe for more techniques and tips.